Denver International Airport is 53 square miles, which makes it larger than the island of Manhattan. When the airport first opened in 1995, we had a capacity of up to 50 million passengers. Today, we're at 82.3 million passengers. It was clear we needed to expand the airport. In response to all this growth, Denver International Airport has launched Vision 100, our plan for accommodating 100 million people. Our expansion project was the first major project we did that used Autodesk Construction Cloud, now part of Forma.
Looks much further along.
We had close to 100 different contractors working with thousands of individual members at any given time. It takes powerful technical tools to bring all of this together. Traditionally, information was very siloed. Now, we're able to put all of those design files up in the cloud, and those designers and contractors are able to coordinate their work live as it happens. Autodesk Revit and Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D are our core design softwares. Being able to bring those two tools together to coordinate on either side is incredibly valuable for the design process and the construction process. The collaboration is instantaneous. As we intook the information from the concourse expansion, we were able to use Tandem to bring all of our project models and our facility models together. It's not just about, here's the data on the screen. It becomes a real place that tells a story. Tandem allows us to bring hundreds of Revit models together in one single environment. We're looking at dozens of systems at any given time, HVAC, electrical, mechanical, and we're able to coordinate all of it together. Doing these sorts of projects today without the cloud would be almost impossible and would add months to the schedule and completely balloon the budget. What I love most about my job is the opportunity to solve problems. Airports have always been laboratories for the future, and now they're laboratories for the most powerful and advanced design and construction technologies. The complexity in our projects is not something that's going to go away. If anything, it's going to keep increasing. Those challenges, those opportunities, those engagements, those are the reasons that I love coming to work here every day.
The teams at Denver International Airport are truly embracing cloud-based collaboration across teams and departments. I couldn't be more excited to have one of them here today. Let's welcome Brendan to the stage. Brendan. Brendan, welcome. I have had the pleasure of meeting with you several times, and I'm always amazed. You're pushing all of our tools to the limit. You adopt new technology quickly. You seem really passionate about making everything digital and getting the most out of the tools. So why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? Where did all of this come from?
Well, really, I started off as an architect, before that an artist, and I happened to be working on some projects at the airport as an architect, and they wanted to expand BIM to be something that they took in-house and became part of how they do business, so that we were working in a more innovative manner. And I happened to walk into that role. One day, I delivered our Revit deliverables for our largest expansion ever, and on Monday, I received those deliverables as part of the airport.
Okay, so in the video, you mentioned how technology allows you to share information more quickly and easily. Can you tell us a little bit more about what's getting unlocked there?
Everything's getting unlocked, really. It's not just work within a single project or between us and the designers. It's the whole portfolio of projects. We've got 300 active projects at any given time. Coordinating all of that previously would have been impossible. It just wouldn't have happened. You kind of cross your fingers and hope everything works out. Now we can coordinate all those projects with each other and identify problems before they happen.
Okay, so given that you're so quick to kind of embrace new technology, what would you give other companies advice about when it comes to digital transformation?
First of all, you need to have a champion. Somebody within your organization needs to be willing to stand up and wave that flag and say, we need to innovate or we fall behind. Second, you really need to institutionalize your knowledge, especially if you're an owner. Having that internal knowledge within your organization doesn't just give you a strategic advantage, it also tells everybody else within the organization that you have made that commitment to innovation and advancement. Last of all, I would say connect with the people outside of your organization. The great thing about working for the government is that we have an obligation to share our knowledge. So we're able to engage with other airports, water authorities, and other transit organizations.
And all the people at AU.
And all the people here at AU. And really share everything we've got. There's nothing held behind the cards. We're able to be completely open.
That's great.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Brendan. A
Thank you so
pleasure
much, Andy.
yet again, all right? Thank you so much for coming up here. It's always a pleasure talking to you. Let's give Brendan a big hand.